Hey traders, I hope you all doing well and I hope you all had a nice and wonderful weekend. So in every single video I push you guys, I stress to follow your entry conditions. I always say to look for a good entry reason and only enter once you hit your area of values, and this was one of the area of value and which we've been waiting for from last couple of days. And as you can see, if you follow all your rules, if you follow the condition, entries, targets, everything on your checklist, then the chances of becoming profitable trader will increase dramatically. If you enter nowhere in the market without knowing what's happening in the market, without knowing these zones, the major area of values, there is no point of trading. It's more of gambling. So make sure once you put your hard earned money in trading in the market, then you should know what you are doing and you should have your rules. And I'm here to guide you guys. You can always ask me questions, you can always send me a DM, direct message on Instagram, and for that I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So let's start our analysis today with natural gas, gold, and crude oil. So before that, I got few traders, they got bit of confusion joining priority group. Let me show you how to join priority group really quickly. I won't take long, I promise. So once you click on the link, you can find that in my YouTube videos description. Once you click on it, you will come up on this page. So once you come up on this page, you just need to click join. You can see priority group right here. So with that, you will get these two for free. So as you can see right here is zero for member. This will be free and this will be free. Once you join it, you can click on your extras and then you can download both of these. So this weekly forex zones report will be uploaded on every Monday once I send you an email. So this is how you can join priority group. All you need to do, just click on this $28 a month and these two will be for free. Priority group is free for you if you join one of my partner brokers. Brokers links are in the description. Right here, let's start our analysis with our favorite commodity, natural gas. So what do we have here? Let me quickly show you what I've said in my previous video so that I can show you how to take entries and what we were looking for in order to take entries in a valid trading zone. So now the way you can buy is, let's go back on 1 hour time frame. As you can see, if you are trading on 1 hour time frame, that the targets will be smaller as well. So at this point, let's say if this candle closes here, this red candle, and then you get a next bigger green candle. So this is the way I enter the trades. Now we are in a buying zone. We can still get a push down and then we can get a good reason to enter. So this is what I'm expecting on 1 hour time frame. We can also get push up, push down, and then a double bottom entry reason again. Okay, awesome. So if you want to watch a full analysis, I have the link in the description. As you can see, what do we have on a 1 hour time frame? We have an interesting situation at this point. But let me show you. We have push down, push up, push down. The way I've mentioned, I expect a double bottom move like this, and this is a valid double bottom move. We got a rejection out of this rejection zone, and as you can see, the market pushed up from here. According to that, if you would have entered here on this engulfing candle, double bottom engulfing candle, your target would be something like this. But the way I trade double bottoms and double top, I expect a good push out of these zone, at least 1.4 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which is something like this. As you can see, 6.674, this is the pace I'm looking to exit my trade, and I will see if we get more bullish momentum. What you can do once your target is hit, you can either exit your trades. I normally exit my trades, or what I do for forex pair, I trade forex most of the time. I push my stop loss to break even and then let my position run to the next level of resistance, which is at this point right here. So once you hit this zone, then we can look for another pullback to take another entries, which I will update you accordingly. So at this point now, natural gas has given us a nice double bottom entry on 1 hour time frame, and even if you go back and check on 4 hour time frame, we have this good push up. Now at this point, I want to see a good close above this zone. We have a break above 20 EMA and this zone. Once we have a good close above this zone, which will be in an hour, once you have that, then the next target I'm expecting the gas to see on 4 hour time frame is 6.863, and or wherever the 50 EMA is on your charts, you can see that as your target. But make sure you manage your position, make sure you have a good lot size according to your risk capital. I am not sure about your risk capital and I'm not a financial advisor, so that's totally up to you. Make sure you do that. Make sure you manage your position by moving your stop loss to break even and let your position run risk free. So because once you hit 50 EMA, I will expect a good push down out of 50 EMA. That is why I want to see an exit after the hit of 50 EMA. Now, what happens is once you have a good break and close, let's say we have a good push up and let's say we have a pullback, then from here, if I see a good bullish reason to enter, then I will enter again a next long trade. But I only trade pullback trades above 50 EMAs. The way I trade pullback, I send it to my priority members. It's exactly the same for natural gas, exactly the same for all the commodities, cryptos, and any other market you'll see. Entry pattern, the strategies are exactly the same. So even if you join the priority group, it's purely forex, but the entry pattern will work exactly the same for every single market. So now I want to see a good break and close above to see a further bullish momentum above 50 EMA. Once we have a good break and close above, from here I will start to look for my pullback entry. And now we have a next level of resistance, which is right here, which is 7.676. In between we have this level right here. Now we have this level which is the 4-hour resistance, which is 7.363, that goes up to 7.510. So this will be the barrier for the market to hit the major level of resistance, which is right here, 7.683. That goes up to 8.088. So that's the quick one on natural gas. I hope you got all the points. And if you're still confused, you can always send me a DM on Instagram. Let me show you quickly on Owanda. Okay, right here on Owanda, as you can see, per my yesterday's video, we got this nice engulfing candle. Right here. This is the bullish pressure for me, and we already got a double bottom, as you can see right here. So according to that, I'm still expecting market to go at least 1.4 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which is a right here 6.880. That is on Owanda on 1 hour time frame. Once we hit this zone, I will update you guys as usual, as I upload videos for you every single day so that we all can trade efficiently. So please do not forget to hit a like button, and if you are new, please hit a subscribe button and join the Money Markers family, and let's trade together. So that's all for a natural gas at this point. Let's quickly check gold. Okay, right here, what do we have? Gold is now making lower lows, as you can see, and you can see it formed a good bearish engulfing candle between this zone. Per my previous few videos, I'm still expecting market to hit this zone, which is 1811, that goes down to 18.4. This is a zone I will look for my buying entry reason. So at this point, not buying gold is as still bearish until we hit this minor level of support. And if we have a good push down, let's say we do not get any entry reason, and if we break and close below, then it will be a likely chance that the market will follow a trend and hit the next level of support, which is 1788. That goes down to 1783. But now at this point, I expect market to hit this zone and we can get a push up out of gold. So have the zones on the chart, not buying until we hit this zone and not buying until we are completely above this green zone, which is 1847. Let's check crude oil. Okay, what do we have here? We already got a good trade out of crude oil. We took sell trade from this engulfing candle, then we had a push up, we got this double top move. If you remember my previous video, right, so we got another push down out of crude oil from here. As you can see, that was around $2.3 move, which is a good move to take your profit. So now we had a push down from here, and after that the crude oil has pushed up in our green zone. What do we have here? Crude oil has now broken and closed above 50 EMA. That is a sign of bullish momentum. It is now pushing up. Now at this point, this zone above, just do not pay attention to. Let me remove that right here. Make it cleaner. The much cleaner the charts is, the better you can do your analysis. So now at this point, I will only sell crude oil once we hit this minor zone, which is 18118, that goes up to 119. Now we can expect a good push up, we can expect a push down, and then we can expect an entry from here as an engulfing candle entry, the way I teach you guys. Again, guys, I still want to see a good break and close. We are above 50 EMA, but we are still not above this green zone. I want to see a good break and close above this green zone to see a pullback and to take another long trades for crude oil. So looks bullish to me at this point. So that's all for commodity market, guys. If you have any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.